what is the best advice that you were given by anybody and you're using it now?
Actually, I'm working with a very successful chef in Australia, and this person always advised me.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching us today. A quick message. You might be watching this but have not yet hit the subscribe button below. It will mean so much to me, to all of us, if you subscribe. The more the people watch us, the greater the guests that we'll have on this channel to inspire us with their stories and experiences. Thank you so much, and now let's dive in. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please tell us your name and where we are.
My name is Nana, and we are in Trimiklini village in Cyprus, in Limassol actually. And I opened my own business here, a small brunch shop. I make homemade desserts, homemade dishes, vegan dishes, gluten-free dishes.
Before this business, what were you doing?
Actually, I'm a chef. I'm working in many restaurants and hotels. I'm working in Australia, England, Ayanapa, Cyprus, Limassol. But I want to do something for myself. It's very tired when you work hotels hours, restaurants. It's very tired for me. So I want to create something that is my identity. I want this shop to present myself.
It's 2 months since you started your business. Do people like this place?
Oh, people love this place. I have a great value of these reviews of this place. I'm happy with what the people tell about this place. I'm here 2 months and I try my best until now. We try to serve quality, quantity to the best prices, of course. This is the preparation for brownies. Everything is homemade and made with love, of course.
Of course.
And also I'm never using a microwave.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't like this because they destroy the ingredient. If I put this in a micro, I don't like the result.
Did you always know that you wanted to be a chef?
Of course, of course. From 7 years old, I play with like a kid's toys, and I always created big cakes. And I take flowers from my mom's garden and I decorate the fake cakes that I make. I always follow my grandma in the kitchen to see what is doing. And from 7 years old, I try my first dish, that is meatballs. Yeah, and my grandma give me this chance to the kitchen. It's never say, you are a little kid and you cannot do this. He empowered me and I do perfect.
Looking back, what was your highest moment in your career as a chef?
I think the time that I am now, because I'm doing something that I want. All the ingredients that I add, that I take out, is all the plates is created by me. So it's myself. Here is myself, and it's something that I'm happy to do. I'm relaxed. I like to live in the village, the mountains. I feel very nice here.
Right. So for you, this is more of a passion than a business.
Yeah. It's like my hobby. I came here with a positive energy and I feel I belong here.
Perfect. So for when a business is a hobby or when a hobby is a business, everything works out so well. Are you satisfied?
Yes. I feel that I'm not working. Even if I am tired because I'm doing most of the things by myself and also my husband helped me. I feel like it's my pleasure. and I feel like I belong here. I want to stay here forever.
What is the best advice that you were given by anybody and you're using it now?
Actually, I'm working with a very successful chef in Australia, and this person always advised me to believe in myself, to believe in the power that I have inside of me, and also to use always the best quality of ingredients if I want the success, and also never to tell lies to the customers. This man showed me how to respect and use the correct ingredients.
Perfect. What would you like to tell somebody who wants to start a business?
Always to be honest with the people, the clients, the customers. Always understand and need to be honest and to offer the best for them.
Before you started, what was your biggest fear?
I'm not a person that I have fears about what I do, because I'm very sure for my job and my qualifications. But I'm thinking how the people of the village, they can accept this place because of the colors, and I love colors. I want too much color in my life. So I'm wondering if the people in the village accept all this. But I'm very satisfied.
How do you define failure?
Even if I failed in something, I'm a person that I'm again up and I start again. I don't accept.
You don't lose hope. Yeah.
yeah.
That is good. What can make you happy?
Actually, I'm very happy with my life. Yeah, I'm happy because I live in a village. In the green, I see the mountains, I do a work that I love, and I believe the most important to be happy is to do what you love.
So where do you find all these things?
All this thing is another passion that I have. I collect all the old stuff, and I change maybe the color, or I fix them, like I renew them. And I take everything from my mom's house, grandma's house, from an old market in Australia, England, old houses that they gave me. When they renovate the houses, they take it out, and I ask if I can take it, and they gave me many of them. Some people, especially my customers from England, they also bring me like this stuff, these plates, and they bring me as a gift. This one is a cookie pie. It's like American cookie, and I make it like a pie. Inside is ganache chocolate, dark chocolate, and the top of American cookie. And also we have to add some ice cream. Big bowl of ice cream. This one says ice cream from a Cypriot company, and it's very good quality. So I'm using. We have to have some homemade butterscotch.
Right. So this one you made it by yourself as well?
Yes. Some chocolate.
Looks yummy.
And of course some caramelized cashew nuts.
Lovely. Do you like?
Of course.
Anything else that you would like to add?
Yeah, I like to add that everyone is welcome in my shop. I love to meet people, to serve people, to cook for them, to speak with them, and to get friends with most of them. We have the repeated customer. We have a friendly relationship.
Yay. Thank you so much for your support so far. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate you. Click the subscribe button below and let us grow together. Thank you. Ciao.